this is how you're going to disable CDN in Hostinger. So step 1 is you're going to log into Hostinger, and then you're going to find this left side panel where you can see this websites button. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on the websites, and then you will be able to see the left side panel once again from the website section. You're going to click on dashboard from there next to your website, and then step 2 is in the left sidebar, type or scroll to CDN or Hostinger CDN section. Step 3, you're going to locate your domain in the CDN panel and click disable or toggle that shows CDN status. The same place is where you enable CDN if you want it back. Step 4, you're going to note that CDN enable or disable may require your domain to point to Hostinger name servers and proper IP assignment. If the option is grayed out, check DNS and wait a bit for propagation. And that's how you're going to disable CDN and Hostinger. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.